A standard memory card either come in microSD or SD card forms. Do you know what the numbers on the box or the memory card actually means? Hi, my name is Joshua Wong. Welcome to Fast Way episode 58. I do short and fast tech reviews on this channel. That's how the name came about. Today we'll be checking out the PNY Elite microSD card. Thanks to PNY for sending this card over to make this video possible. In this video, I'm going to share with you how to pick the right card for your device. Technically speaking, there are three types of SD cards, and two of them are mainly used in digital media, which the PNY Elite covers both in one package, SD and microSD. The microSD card is generally used on low power and smaller devices like smartphones, tablets, action cameras, drones, dashcam, and many more. As for the standard SD cards are generally found in point and shoots or prosumer cameras for photos and video taking. The amount of storage size depends on what you're exactly going to use it. A 32GB size is perfect for dash cams that loop records, cameras that shoot photos, and HD videos. If you're shooting Full HD, RAW photos, or 4K, the files can be astronomically large. You are best off with at least a 64GB or higher. But wait, before you decide anything, you need to know the numbers on the memory card. Most common speed class ratings on SD or microSD card would mark speed class by the C logo, UHS speed class by the U logo, and the type of UHS bus interface by Mark 1 and Mark 2. There are also applications performance classes and video speed classes that are found on higher performance microSD card like the PNY Pro Elite. Let's break down these three common class ratings. Speed class show how fast data can be written on a memory card. C2 is 2MB per second, C4 is 4MB per second, and so on to C10, which is 10MB per second. Simple. Coming to UHS speed class, this is only relevant when your device supports UHS interface, be it UHS Mark 1 or UHS Mark 2. As for the U logo, U1 represents 10MB per second writing speed and U3 is 30MB per second. The high writing speed enables cameras to shoot high resolution images in high speed, burst mode, and 4K video recording. By knowing this, you can check the specifications of your device before you make the purchase. Although the PNY Elite microSD card is rated class 10 and U1, which is recommended for Full HD video recording, I'm actually using it to record this video in 4K at 60MB per second bit rates without any issue. Still, if you are getting a memory card for your cameras to shoot 4K videos, I would suggest you to get the PNY Pro Elite with V30 video speed class. PNY rated their card with up to 100MB per second transfer speed, and based on the synthetic benchmark test with Crystal Disk Mark, it leaves what it advertised. There isn't much difference in reading speed regardless 32GB, 64GB, and 128GB except for the writing speed. This is a good enough memory card for your smartphone media storage, car dashcam, Wi-Fi security cameras, and perhaps cameras that shoot in Full HD. The PNY Elite microSD card is temperature proof, shock proof, magnet proof, and waterproof. It even offers photo recovery software in case your memory card is corrupted. The PNY Elite is the most affordable options in the lineup, offered at just RM18 for the 32GB and 63 ringgit for the 128GB. PNY even provides a 1-to-1 exchange limited lifetime warranty. PSA, there are a lot of counterfeit or fake microSD cards selling online with slightly cheaper price. I would suggest you to purchase from PNY authorized resellers or PNY official e-commerce store on Shopee or Lazada. Link will be in the description box below. That's all from me on the PNY Elite microSD card. You know the drill. If you have any questions, do leave them in the comment box below. I'll be sure to answer them. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Take care, and I'll see you at the next one.